Hi, this is Stefan from Octomind. This time I'm going to show you how to work with variables in Octomind. Variables come handy when you have to fill in data into your web applications and you want to vary maybe this data. So to try this out, I've used a testing page from Bootstrap, which basically is a common checkout form where you have all these input fields that you need to fill in data. And I tried to do this with the Octomind agent, and it was coming up with a test case that actually really worked well and filled all these form fields in, as you can see here in the test case. The thing is that for all these field values, the agent was coming up with made up values, basically like John Doe, email, example.com. And what I want to do is I wanted to replace this with variables that may have real world examples or maybe even have specific values that you need in your application. I go ahead and do this by defining some variables in my default environment. And to shorten this up, I have prepared a JSON file that defines all these variables. JSON file is a simple text file that looks like this. So you have the variable definition here, also mentioned in the documentation. And what I'm going to do is just upload this JSON file to define all these variables at once. So now I have all these variables defined in my environment, and now I can change the test case in a way that I use these variables in the test case. So in this case, I don't want to always use the made up name. Instead of that, I will use a variable first name. Also for the last name, I will go ahead and use a variable. Same with email address. And also, let's say, with credit card number. Quickly check how it's called. Credit card number. $7 credit card number. And now that I've replaced all these made up values with my variable templates, I will just go ahead and do save and run and see what the fill out values will be this time. So as you can see, this time it used my variables. So instead of John Doe, now it's filled in seeable over here, Stefan Rinke, my name. And also, as another example where we use the credit card, it also fills in the credit card. Not so easy to see in this case, that we get from the variables. So this is how you can easily use variables instead of the made up values from the agent. Thanks for watching.